Dog is deaf. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her lip. It's moving around. She's dreaming about running through a field of flowers. I can tell. She tells me. She tells me these things. Look at her. She's dreaming about something. Yeah, but she's deaf. Really deaf. Hey! Hey, puppy! Yeah. Is that eye open? What the heck? You're sleeping. That eye isn't supposed to be open. Close that thing. Hit some type of disease. Yeah, she's cute. Twitching. Oh, she's awake. She's awake. Back to bed she goes. Yep. Just figured I'd get a video of her actually sitting still. Kinda. Yeah. See you later, guys. After you look at her face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Yep. Good night.